Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and healthy living. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: high LDL cholesterol. But fear not, because we're about to uncover nature's arsenal of potent herbs and spices that can help you tackle this issue head on. Whether you're looking to complement your current treatment plan or seeking preventative measures, these herbs and spices have been hailed for their cholesterol lowering properties for centuries. From kitchen staples to exotic finds, we'll explore them all. So, if you're ready to spice up your health routine and take control of your cholesterol levels naturally, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you never miss out on our latest wellness tips and tricks. Let's get started. Cinnamon. Cinnamon could well be considered the world's most popular spice. It's sweet yet intensely spicy. Aroma is evidence of powerful plant compounds it contains, particularly one known as formaldehyde. Research on cinnamon and cholesterol has been quite impressive. Studies have found that it can significantly lower both total and LDL cholesterol in as little as 4 to 5 weeks. The effects seem to be especially notable for those with type 2 diabetes. The doses used in these studies encompass a wide range, but as little as half a teaspoon or 1 gram of ground cinnamon daily was found to be effective, with better results achieved by taking 3 or 6 grams daily. Turmeric. Turmeric is a familiar spice to many by now. It contains a potent compound known as curcumin, which is responsible for the bright orange-yellow coloring of turmeric and for giving this spice its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Along with lowering inflammation, which is good for your heart too, by the way, curcumin has shown an ability to lower serum levels of cholesterol and can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol. One research review even concluded that the cholesterol-lowering effects of curcumin could help protect against pathological changes associated with atherosclerosis, a buildup of cholesterol plaque in your arteries that can obstruct blood flow. Interestingly, one study found that 15 milligrams of curcumin taken 3 times a day was more effective for cholesterol than higher doses. Garlic. Garlic is an all-star herb and spice, even if it does make your breath smell. The cloves are full of organosulfur compounds like allicin and disulfide that are responsible for garlic's distinct flavor and also provide it with a health-boosting punch. Multiple studies have found that garlic can reduce both total and LDL levels significantly, up to 10% for LDL cholesterol. One research review even noted that this specific level of cholesterol reduction is associated with a 38% reduced risk of coronary events at age 50. A different review noted that aged garlic extract gave the most consistent results for cholesterol across the board, although simply consuming half to 1 clove of garlic was also effective for reducing cholesterol. Notably, garlic needed to be consumed for longer than 2 months to take effect. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk comes from the seeds of the Plantago ovato plant. High in fiber, psyllium is often used to maintain digestive regularity and relieve occasional constipation, but it also contains some superpowers for your heart. More specifically, psyllium husk has been found to significantly lower both total and LDL cholesterol levels in more than one study. It can also reduce 2 related lipid markers known as non-HDL cholesterol and ApoB, both risk factors for heart disease. From the studies conducted so far, a daily dose of around 10 milligrams of psyllium husk, divided into 2 to 3 smaller doses, seems to be the ideal amount. However, to avoid overwhelming your digestive tract, you may want to start with less and work your way up. Triphala. Triphala is an ancient Ayurvedic herbal formula that is made up of 3 dried and ground fruits: amla, or Indian gooseberry, bibhitaki, and haritaki. Traditionally used as a digestive tonic, Triphala has shown significant cholesterol-reducing effects in studies, lowering both total and LDL cholesterol. Amla extract has also been found to lower LDL cholesterol on its own in patients with dyslipidemia, elevated cholesterol lipids. For amla extract alone, the effective dose was 500 milligrams taken twice daily for 12 weeks. The studies on Triphala were not consistent on formulation or dosage, but the generally recommended amount to start with is 500 to 1,000 milligrams, or 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily. Artichoke leaf extract. Artichoke buds or hearts are a delicious and nutritious vegetable, but it's the leaves of the plant that have the biggest impact on cholesterol. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, and contain a specific antioxidant known as luteolin that may prevent cholesterol formation and or absorption. It's no surprise then that studies have consistently found that taking artichoke leaf extract daily lowers both total and LDL cholesterol levels. In fact, one study found that the extract reduced total cholesterol by 18.5% and LDL cholesterol by 22.9%. Effective doses of artichoke leaf extract range from 320 to 450 milligrams, taken 2 to 4 times daily. Coriander. Coriander is a spice that comes from the same plant as cilantro. Basically, cilantro refers to the leaves of the plant, and coriander refers to the seeds of the plant. It has a peppery flavor and contains high levels of antioxidants. Interestingly enough, coriander seeds have been used to treat both diabetes and high cholesterol in traditional medicine. So far, modern studies have confirmed some of these benefits, including an ability to significantly lower LDL cholesterol. Researchers have also found that the cholesterol lowering and antioxidant properties of coriander may be powerful enough to help atherosclerosis. No specific dose for coriander has been recommended yet, but you can start with 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the spice daily or look for a standardized extract.